Despite the widespread rhetoric surrounding the enhancement of rights, protection and justice for women, children and persons with disabilities, the reality paints a different picture. The absence of supportive structures undermine the purported goal of safeguarding the rights of vulnerable populations. Despite the ongoing narrative, there remains a glaring lack of interventions aimed at improving access to justice for these marginalized groups across the various states of the Federation. In this report, Noel Sampson engages with a civil society member and a person living with a disability to discuss the necessary steps that the government should take.
In 2022, Nigeria's female population reached approximately 109 million, with nearly 31 million children under the age of 5. Additionally, each year witnessed the birth of at least 7 million babies. As of 2020, there are reportedly over 27 million Nigerians living with some form of disability, highlighting their significant presence within the country's total population. Given these figures, the pressing question arises: are there adequate structures in place to bolster the capacity of justice and social support agencies across the states? This raises numerous other questions and demands from these groups, underscoring the urgent need for effective and inclusive policies to address their rights and needs.
Some of the key challenges that women, children and persons with disabilities in Nigeria face when they want to access the justice system, whether it's our police, whether it's our courts, whether it's the legal aid council, or whether it's women that have been sexually assaulted, or whether it's persons with disabilities that have challenges in terms of accessing justice. So the first thing is to draw their attention to some of the challenges they face. And then the second one is also to present to them some of the opportunities that are available for them to make access to justice more accessible.
We are calling for an immediate establishment of the Commission for Persons with Disabilities that will be working in complementary, that will be working in support with the Ministry for Women Affairs, to lessen the burden of the Ministry for Women Affairs and to also shed more light and spotlight issues of persons with disabilities.
Diverse reactions have emerged regarding the government's purported failure to establish structures aimed at advocating for social justice of marginalized individuals. However, government officials have countered these claims, asserting a different perspective.
Before now, women were the vulnerable ones, as you can know. But now, the measures we are putting up, no more business as usual, not from police, not from army, not from individuals, not from husbands, not from stepfathers, as you know, so many things that are going on. So we are putting up a measure that we are bringing in integrity brigade, of which all the commissioners are part of it, all the traditional rulers are part of it. These are some of the ways we want Niger to save Nigeria.
Anytime we have such problems, we first of all will write to the PG and will write to the Igwe of that town. And then, knowing the type of governor we have in Anambra State, will definitely support us. We've never been disappointed.
Women, children and persons living with disabilities express hope that immediate measures will be taken to ensure social justice for their communities. Noel Sampson, Trust TV News, Abuja.